Hey everyone, welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids. Today we are covering Lockheed Martin, ticker LMT, a global leader in aerospace and defense, from F-35 fighters to advanced missile systems. As of January 8, 2026, LMT is surging in early trading, up over 8% pre-market to around $535 after closing yesterday at $496.87 on massive volume as defense stocks rally. The key catalyst reports this morning that President Trump is pushing for a $1.5 trillion defense budget in fiscal 2027, a major increase that would directly benefit prime contractors like Lockheed. This comes on top of recent positives. Lockheed delivered a record 191 F 35 jets in 2025 and signed a 7-year framework to triple PAC-3 missile production capacity. With a robust backlog and rising geopolitical demand, analysts see continued strength ahead of Q4 earnings later this month. LMT is a stable dividend-paying blue chip in the defense space, worth keeping on your watch list. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research. If this update was helpful, subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids, and comment your take on defense stocks below. See you in the next one. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. I love you all. See you soon.